Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In this one, I'm going to introduce another exciting project and a very exciting token that has a great potential. The project name is called Doge Hot. This is a meme coin, and we know how meme coins are performing, how they usually perform. We have two of the meme coins in the top 10 of all the cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap. So they're worth billion, they have market caps in billions of dollars. And recently they have been going really popular, except for the last few days when we entered into a small dip. But still, we have Doge at number 10. We have Shiba Inu at number 11. Their market cap, actually their combined market cap, that is about above $35 billion. So that's pretty huge. So that's to say that these meme coins, they go really hot, and a lot of people are interested in it, especially the dog themed meme tokens, which this is also a dog theme meme token. So again, it is called Doge Hot. This is the official website. I'm not saying that you invest into it. This is not a financial or an investment advice, so make sure that you do your own investigation and research. I'll provide all the links in the description so you can do your research from there. Now, we're gonna get details of this project and see what it has to offer. Now, it says our treehouse gaming platform is steeped in cannabis culture, from in-game itself, like virtual hemp farms and dispensaries, to lore that pays homage to cannabis legends and strains. Earn DGH, which is the ticker for the Doge Hot token. So you earn DGH as you play, create, and engage within our virtual world. These tokens can be exchanged for real-world value, unlocking a financial dimension to your in-game activities. So although it is a meme token, it is inspired by the meme tokens, but we do also have a game that is coming soon. Now, if you come down there, we have two things coming. That is the game and the NFT. They're talking about the virtual world, kind of like a metaverse. So I'm guessing that this is going to be integrated. So the NFTs, they will be integrated within the game itself, including the token, which will be used as a currency in this virtual world. So we will to buy things, we will to earn through it, and eventually we can turn this token to something that actually has a real value. So that is something that is coming in the future, which does gives us a hint of utility and use case, which is pretty solid. Now, the total supply that we have and the maximum supply also. So the maximum supply and total supply is same. That means no more tokens can be entered into the circulating supply. So the total supply is 420 billion. We have 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax, 0% buyback. So it will be entirely up to the community and people to buy the tokens. Now, about the Doge Hot, it says we are here with the world of meme coins. We're a community-driven cryptocurrency fueled by viral memes and social media trends. Embrace laughter, innovation, and endless possibilities as we ride the wave of fun and financial excitement together. Now we have more information on how you can buy it. It says research and you choose the meme coin based on community consent and development and transparency. That is completely up to you. We have a lot of meme coins, so it will be completely up to you which one that you want to enter, which one that you want to buy. Once you have selected which currency that you want to buy, which meme coin that you want to buy, you select a reputable currency exchange, cryptocurrency exchange that supports that desired DGH coin. Now it says create an account on the chosen exchange, complete the necessary identification process, and enhance account security with two-factor authentication. Deposit funds into the account using fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Locate the meme coin trading pair, whichever that you want to buy. For example, you can get DGH BNB pair or DGH Solana pair on those exchange. Once you have confirmed which pair that you want to enter, you can place the order, deciding which value that you want to put in, and that's it. If we talk about the tokenomics, they have allocated 15% of the supply for centralized exchange liquidity pool. We have 10% for team, which is locked for 12 months. We have 1% airdrop, 33% burning, which makes it deflationary. That means this 420 billion supply that will no longer stay 420 billion. They will be burning 33% of it. That's pretty huge. So that means that the tokens will be taken out of circulation, which will eventually increase the value of the token. And for decentralized exchange LP, we have 41%. So that's how the supply is allocated. It will be entirely up to the community, since it is community driven. So it will be entirely up to the people to buy the token, and they will be in sense controlling the price of it. Now here we have the roadmap to see what is happening, what is coming next. In the phase one, we have the lift off. So it says it is fair launch, and the DGH, it is fair launched on SPL, which is one of the leading protocols that we have in this space. It will be getting listed on CoinMarketCap and also on CoinGecko pretty soon. And moreover, afterwards, they're going to go for decentralized exchange listings and then centralized exchange listings. So that is something that we already have planned in this. Then reward early adopters for helping spread the word, get featured on top tier crypto media, secure a spot on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, which you already have mentioned. And then in the next phase, this is where we have the centralized exchange listing, and then official partnership with NiceGram, the world's first platform runner meme game, a free Grumps Ordinals NFT for all holders to take to the moon in the game, obviously. Then we have NFTs and we have rewards galore, and then we have the world's first platform runner meme game. So we have the game coming, we have the NFT coming, which is really good for the project. The phase 3 include moon lending. So it says Ordinals, KOL activations, a Twitch gaming competition, a NiceGram continued. So they have partnerships, contests, and games and tournaments in the pipeline. And then official partnership with NiceGram, the world's first platform runner memes, which they already have mentioned in the phase 2. One-of-a-kind staking that is enabled by the SPL token protocol, and launch of the Grumpy's very own native crypto wallet, the Moon Lending 3.0 Grumpy style. So these are the things that we have coming. So we have the game, the NFT, the partnerships, and so forth, and staking rewards and other rewards. So we have an exciting future in this project. Now this is important. It says DGH isn't just another meme coin. They're building it on top of the SPL protocol, which is one of the fastest growing protocol in the crypto space. It says, forget the hype, ride the grumpy wave instead. We're hissing around the decentralized exchanges for now, but expect some pretty epic centralized exchanges to follow. Now, this is going to be a game changer, because with decentralized exchange listings and centralized exchange listings, the token receives a lot of exposure toward investors and big holders, I would say, whales. And they, when they enter into a project, this is where it skyrockets. So the best opportunity that we have is to enter before that happens, because afterwards it may become difficult. The price will be increased, and at that point, the margin of profit will be lower. So right now, maybe we have taking a look at the market cap that we have, where it is currently standing, and the potential that it has. It can make 100x, it can make 1000x. That's also possible. We have seen meme coins going even beyond this level. So, but that is only possible if we enter into it right now. If we delay it, if the price is already pumped, then the margin of profit will be reduced. So make sure that you do, it does not happen. As I said, we have the NFT coming, we have the game coming, we have the staking that is also coming soon. So we will be able to make passive income through that. But all these things means token is going to have demand in the future, the utility in the future, which eventually will lead to price appreciation. So I think this is a wonderful opportunity that we have. You can get more information about it from their website, from their social media channels, which I'll be linking in the description, and also through their white paper, which again will also be linked in the description. I think this is all of you guys from my side. If you have any questions, of course, you can ask me in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.